you want to leave this place where we grew up, this old town, just put it all behind. Remember you and I would always find somewhere to hide when we were kids, so we could see and hear the water run. The river's gonna cry when you're gone. Won't you miss the ones you know? I'll be here, hanging on, waiting for your call. Seems like time as a wave passing by, leave a mark in our minds to turn to memories. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. River's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. River's gonna cry when you're. River's gonna cry when you're. River's gonna cry when you're gone. Hey, I was hoping you would stay, but I've always known you would go find your own way. I still see when we climbed up in those trees, 12 years old, feel the wind and watch the river run. And the sun would always shine when we sat there, you and I. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. River's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. River's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. River's gonna cry when you're. River's gonna cry when you're. River's gonna cry when you're gone. It's gonna cry, it's gonna cry. River's gonna cry when you're gone. It's gonna cry, it's gonna cry. Hey, I heard you want to leave this place where we grew up, this old town, just leave it all behind. The river's gonna cry when you're gone.
Hello, welcome back to my channel, where I share what I've been up to and the things that I've been working on the past couple of weeks. I can't believe that September is over. We only have a couple more days before October, and I am ready. Ready for fall, although I guess it is technically officially fall already. My Arachne sweater is coming along. I'm about done with the yoke. I have just one more pattern repeat before I knit for a little while and then split for the sleeves, and I'm very excited to finish it. I'm not sure if I will have it done by Halloween, but I'm trying not to put too much pressure on myself to that effect, because I think that that would take away some of the joy of knitting it. And it's pretty much been the only sweater I've been working on. I did cast on my husband's oxbow cardigan and knit a little bit on the sleeve, but I have since taken a break from that so that I can focus on one sweater at a time so that I don't get too overwhelmed. Little peek into the process of how I create the graphics for my shop. My logo is actually done by another artist, a very good friend of mine named Tiffany Larry, and everything else I do myself through this tablet. I don't know the brand or anything like that. I'd have to ask my husband because it's actually his, but I did learn to use it to get the things that I needed done for the shop without having to outsource everything I do, and it comes in handy when I'm designing and want to put some illustrations into my patterns and make stickers and stuff like that. So here I'm working on the Gnome Sweet Gnome Club, the September, it's technically the September edition or installment of the club, but of course it doesn't ship till October, so I went with a Halloween theme for it. And I am a huge fan of Halloween, so there was not much inspiration needed or encouragement needed for me to create another Halloween design. It's about 8 in the morning and I just dropped my son off, but I wanted to tell you guys a funny story. If you've gotten an order from me, you know I send tea with every order, and I get it from our local Family Dollar, and the cashier who just checked my order out, he said, "I always think of you whenever I'm stocking the tea because you and your husband drink so much green tea." So I had to tell him, I was like, "No, I have a business and I send tea out." And he's like, "Oh, that makes so much more sense." So I guess he just thought we were consuming copious amounts of tea every moment of every day in order to be needing more that often. I mentioned in my last vlog that I have been wanting to cast on all of the things, and this time of year I want to knit mitten after mitten after mitten. I make my own designs, I try new designs from new designers that I have not knit from in the past. This particular pattern is by a new to me designer. She is the hostess of the Kammebornia podcast. I will link her below as well as this pattern. But she is a very talented designer, and I highly recommend it if you are interested in mitten knitting.
As a wave passing by, leave a mark in our minds that turn to memories. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're. The river's gonna cry when you're. River's gonna cry when you're gone.
I thank you so much again, as always, for taking some time to tune into my vlog, see what I've been up to. I hope that you are enjoying the changing of the seasons, visiting apple orchards, pumpkin patches, all of that wonderful stuff for this time of year. And I will be checking in with you during my favorite month in October. So until then, God bless you and happy crafting, happy knitting. Bye.
The river's gonna cry when you're gone, gone.